All right, ladies and gentlemen, players and playerettes, welcome back to another episode. Today, we got a few things going on here. I bought a new rig. I'm doing some shit. Brian bought some stuff. That's what we're here for. Check this out. We outside.
Still all stock. But we got something here. And we got quite a bit of stuff in that little box right there.
Bring me the camera. Bring me the camera and bring the box. Unbox that right now. Chris, say hi, Chris.
I got Chris right now. So for today, we got a bunch of engine dress up for the car. Here we got, shout out Z-Spec Design Hardware, you know. This right here is a carbon fiber engine cover. We'll get to that in a little bit.
Oh, we'll go back over here.
So we got this racer X. These are just little side pieces. Something simple, something nice. Nothing too extravagant, something calm. You know what I'm saying? And here we got a little fuse box cover. HKS Carbon Technologia. Nothing too crazy. But the rest of it in here is just a bunch of like engine caps. All red. And then we got that over there. That's sitting on the trash.
Oh, I put that on the trash. Don't worry about the trash.
Little blitz.
We didn't even tell you guys where we're at, actually. Tell them where we're at, right?
We're in the shop.
Yeah. First piece going down?
First piece. All right, we'll cut back once we got some stuff installed.
I'll get Brian. I'll get Brian installing it, but you guys will see clips.
Yes. Take this out, you know what I'm saying? POV cam. Santi will be on the main cam, getting a little extra clips here and there.
Look at my boy. Looks like he's carrying a baby.
But there we go. First part officially going in. This is for the fuse box.
Hold on, bro.
Sorry.
Easy enough.
Easy enough. Easy part. Come over here, and hopefully it just pops back in. Just like that. Oh, shit. Just like that. There you go. Now it's officially in.
That's pretty good.
Not too bad, and not too shabby.
Something light, something simple, not too drastic.
All right, now let's do this.
I like that. Like the HKS on the side.
Hold this shit for me, please.
Damn, this shit's still hot.
A little warm. It's a little warm.
Little GR Rolla right here.
This is all. Here we are with the carbon fiber engine cover. Y'all ready? Look at that. Look at that. But yeah, now we get the little rubber grommets from the stock one. Slide it onto here.
Let me hold on to that.
And then slap it back on. Right here. This one just slides in here. Slide it in there, dude. Or at least try to slide it in there.
Shit too. Is it like this? Nipple down or nipple up?
Nipple down. Been cracky, dude.
You fucking yelling at me, dude?
Slide it in. God damn, I'm having trouble with this one.
I'll put the camera down real quick.
Stop recording at least? Nah, see, this is why the freaking SD cards. Come on, dude.
It's fine. I was gonna do it quick.
He's not a camera guy.
Oh my god,
It was
dude.
gonna be quick. I can make my decisions if I want.
That's why SD cards get full.
You don't know. You don't know nothing about
It's not fun. I only got one SD.
Oh, you do? Yeah. Chris, my boy's talking to the people, saying he doesn't know and shit. When you walk through a whole house looking dark ass screen,
it. You told me to do it.
staring at the fucking room and shit. He's like, oh, I haven't seen this place either. Let me fucking stare at everything that he's showing me. Terrible.
You can't get it on, dude? Do I need to show you?
Up, dude.
So
I never touched anything.
no, tell him, Chris.
I never touched anything, bro. All I do is touch my phone when I start to work on that card.
I want me to show you again? Here, look. Here, push one side in, slide it in. Push one side in, slide it in.
A ver, show me on this one. Enséñame cómo. Enséñame cómo hacer eso. ¿Cómo le haces tú ahí la vuelta y eso?
A ver.
Enséñame cómo se le hace la vuelta y eso.
You don't know how to do it.
Nah, that one was a bitch. Cause I watched him do the other ones easier, and he's struggling on this one too. Look. Ahí va. Ahí está. Por su puta madre. Ahora sí.
One more.
Ponle allí.
Uno más.
¿Dónde está?
Ahí.
Let me see if I got this one. Oh, sí, este está ahí, de volada, mi rey. Está listo para mí.
All right, hopping back on the main cam.
Get a GR.
Let's see those grommets real quick.
It needs a little GR bag.
Grommets are in. Or garments?
That's why it's grommets. Rubber grommets are in. Finally.
Bam, bam,
Bam.
bam, bam. Oh yeah, there we go.
There it is.
That was satisfaction right there.
Boom.
That's pretty good.
Pretty dang good.
Look at that. I feel like it's missing some logos or something.
Yeah, needs a little badge right here.
Yeah. Or like a little GR Rolla, like a GR sticker right here.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's just because I seen it on that one.
It's on this one. Can
So
I
it's
take it
like-
off of this one? No, I can't take it off of this.
Is he?
Oh, it's like
Right now, yeah.
that's
yeah.
actual plastic.
Nice little carbon bug in here, huh?
All right, now going into the headache.
Oh
A
no.
lot of screws. A lot of screws. Here's the oil mechanism.
You're sick in the head, Chris.
Boom.
Boom. Oh, let's check that out.
Oil cap.
Oil cap. Ooh, this is a nice little zoom. I really like this, and not because my favorite color is red, bro, but I like this. I like the color
Pretty
scheme
nice.
you're going for here.
Pretty nice. Well, I mean, I just chose red because already red shit on the car, so and the GR badge. Could have gone blue to match the interior stitching, but
That's right. It's also
whatever.
Do we have a video for that?
No.
Did we give a walk around? We had one, but Brian decided not to post that.
And then we have another video that we're not gonna upload because I just don't like it. But we installed the carbon fiber lip, side skirts, and the rear spats.
Oh yeah, we'll give you guys an update on this because he didn't want to do absolute anything with it. He didn't like whatever it was. Get out lip. Bam. We installed these. Here's the side skirts too, with the extensions. Saber it was.
Mm-hmm.
Saber out here. Show you guys the rear. Got a little bit of a mess at the shop. Bam! Hit the unlock button, Brian. The other day we
Oh yeah, the
installed,
lights. I forgot about the lights.
we installed some other stuff here,
Here
the
you
other
go.
day.
Ready?
Yeah, look at that.
Little something.
We installed these the other day. Wired them up. You know what I'm saying?
Where the Allen wrench is at?
Some light. In a yellow tray over here somewhere. Or somewhere in the whole shop. She's in. That's a pretty awkward angle, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, It's gonna be a bitch to fucking open it up, but
Oh, look at that carbon. It looks really good, though. Oh, you're doing the dipstick, huh? Is that the one you're doing next?
no, the dipstick's gonna take a while.
Dipstick takes a while. Look at this cap,
So
though.
I'll probably do that one last.
So just imagine that in red. Or that in that same red in there.
We got
We got a bunch of hardware, dude. Look at this. I didn't even show you guys that in depth, but this is gnarly.
a whole bunch of shit.
Look at this little sticker. Shout out Z-Spec. We got.
This is the windshield washer fluid cap. There it is.
Yeah, that was quick.
Some of these are just like pop on, easy installs. Other ones have like little screws. This is a weird angle though. I ain't gonna lie. Just take that off. Cooked. Gotta take the whole fucking thing off.
That's pretty cool. It fits snug to the point that it clips in.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
That's it.
I like that. That's some quality made stuff right there.
Boom.
Boom.
I have to.
I want to help you because. What do I do?
So the
Oh,
these
mira
screws are,
que se mira muy.
boom.
Well, as you guys can see, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the middle of just about the huge amount of mix that we got going on here, but these guys were replacing these. So Brian and Chris went through and did these. I think Brian did these. So, quick update. We're not going to force you guys to watch the whole thing, but we will give you guys an update when the majority of the stuff is done.
There it is.
There she is. The brake.
Mm-hmm.
There she blows. Chris replaced that one right there, while Brian did this, that, and that.
What you mean?
No sabe ese niño.
All right, guys. So we're done with my car. Shit. Not too bad. We got the Blitz strut bar. I forgot the brand of that. We got HKS carbon over there. And a whole Verus with all the caps, little shits everywhere, little knickknacks.
Little dress up, something
Little
nice.
dress up bolts.
We're gonna do like the ASMR.
Very, very happy with the. Oh yeah, I forgot about these things. Little Racer X, little, what are they called? Shrouds? Fender shrouds? Very happy with the outcome.
Look at that.
Very.
Look nice.
Here you go, close them out.
What are you doing, dude? I don't know why he zoomed into me or he like turned over, but Christian's behind the camera. I'm very aggravated, annoyed. The truck that I picked up, the rotor is not fitting. There's that. So, working on that. You guys will see something for the trailer in the last video, and this is going to be the next video. We'll see you guys tomorrow or the day after. We got something else planned for you guys. And we wanted to show you guys this outside, actually. Give a little walk around real quick. Yeah, shining. Since my boy didn't want to do all that extra stuff. 100, what is it? 100 subscribers, and I'll buy him the GR Rolla front cover right there, that carbon fiber one. 1,000 actually. Let's make it 1,000. Let's gamble a little bit. Hell no, 300 subs. 1,000 subs. I said 1,000 and then I said 100 and I switched it up to 1,000. So 1,000 subs. Actually, I feel like I would buy you the rear one more than the front, but we'll see. We'll see. Still attainable. That's easy, man. Social media. Share it with your mama, your baby mama, your brother, your sister, everybody. Follow the Instagrams. All Instagrams tagged in the bio. Brian's Instagram is Brian.grc. You heard it. BRIIANGRC. They'll be linked at the bottom. If you're interested in that bar, if you're interested in this cover and that HKS, we can link it at the bottom for you. And then this little dress up kit right there. There's not that much support.
I'm just starting out wanting this shit, so I'm picking out what I want and surprising it's there. Except for that strut bar. The strut bar, I don't know, I tried ordering it a few different times. They were both back ordered. Unless I just don't know the right people that keep them in stock. So.
It means it's hard to find, bro. We'll see you guys tomorrow or the day after.
Adios.